Hi, welcome to J Robotics Technology Private Limited. In this series of robotics tutorial, today we'll see about this variable resistor. You might have seen the tutorial of resistor. In this we'll see about variable resistor. Actually, by the name as the name implies, the resistance varies. The symbol for the variable resistance is this is positive supply. This is ground, and we'll have one more pin. This means that the resistance can be varied by manually using a screwdriver or using a hand or volume knobs or whatever it is. It works on a simple principle like this is V in, this is ground, and this is V out. So if you could check the similar thing here, this is V in, this is V out, and this is going to be the ground, the same thing. It works on the very basic principle like voltage divider concept. For if I'm going to apply formula, Ohm's law for this one, V in equals I into, this is going to be R1 and this is going to be R2. R1 plus R2. And if I'm going to apply the Ohm's law for V out, it's going to be like V out equals I into R2. Since I is same, I'm going to solve for I on both equations. So as a result, I'm going to get, so V in divided by R1 plus R2 equals V out divided by R2. So V out, as a result, I'm going to get V in into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So from this equation you can very clearly see that if resistance R2 varies, the V out varies. So this is what is there in variable resistor. We'll see how practically this variable resistor works. It's also very simple for understanding. So this is first terminal, which might be positive voltage. This is going to be a second terminal, and I'm going to have a pointer. So this is the third terminal, V out. While I change, and I'll make it more clear, V out. While I change this using screwdriver or whatever it is, it will just change its position. So this will be a conducting material, copper plate. This path is made of ceramic or metal, and as you may see, it's based upon our intuition. If this changes, the length to the V into ground also changes. If this is here, this part is higher than this part. If this is according to the dotted lines, this part is higher than this part. So as a result, our R2 varies accordingly, and as R2 varies, we get a change in the output supply of the voltage we get. So this is how variable resistor works. This variable resistor is the common thing which we see in normal radio volume knobs, and which you adjust it. Actually, you are increasing and decreasing the resistance. As a result, you hear a louder volume. In the next section, we'll break open one of the resistors, variable resistors, and see what's inside it and how it works.